Respected all teachers, parents, elders and all my dear friends. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. At first let me wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. And today October 2nd, the birth anniversary of the Mahatma Gandhi ji. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and he was born on October 2nd, 1869 in the Porbandar at Gujarat state. And today we should celebrate this day with great enthusiasm every year to pay the tribute of our father of our nation, the Gandhiji, and as well as to remember his courageous deeds on the way of independence struggle for the country from British rule. It was he who led perhaps the biggest mass movement in the world, that is Indian independence movement. The hallmark of this movement was non-violence. It is in recognition of his contribution and that the United Nations has declared October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence. Truth and non-violence were his tools in his fight against the British. He taught us to be honest and truthful. Not only for free India, he made a lot of efforts to destroy the tradition in the untouchables from the Indian society and gave them the name of Harijan, which means that God's people. In the democracy which I have envisaged, a democracy established by the non-violence, there will be equal freedom for all. Everybody will be their own master. These were the words of Gandhiji, which stated his dream of New India. Harijan Sevak Sangh, a non-profit organization, was founded by the Mahatma Gandhiji to eradicate the untouchability in India and upliftment of deprived class. And Mahatma Gandhiji considered that cleanliness is next to the godliness. He made cleanliness and sanitation as an integral part of the Gandhian way of living. His beliefs on cleanliness has very high importance on today's life, as we are fighting with the coronavirus. That's the greatest cause. We can fight against the coronavirus through cleanliness and sanitation. Gandhiji said that I will not let anyone walk through my mind with a dirty feet. Today, cleanliness is not only important in one's life, it is important for entire nation. So let us consider a cleanliness as a let us not consider a cleanliness as a responsibility of sanitation worker or our government. It is the responsibility of each and every Indian citizen to fight against the greatest cause, that is coronavirus. Oh Bapu, you are the teacher of truth and non-violence. You are the lover of peace, patience, cleanliness and simplicity. You taught us unity, honesty and equality. So let us all pay homage to the father of our nation, apostle of peace and light of freedom, and follow his path of truth and wisdom. So let's celebrate today with a great joy. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti and thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.